At Inspira Health Network, it is our promise to provide safe, clinically excellent care, distinguished by exceptional customer service. To meet our promise in 2016, Inspira expanded services, implemented new technologies, and provided even easier access to our community. Fulfilling our promise is accomplished by one guiding principle: be Inspira. And this is what it means to be Inspira.
Inspira.
In February 2016, Inspira acquired a 100-acre plot of land at the intersection of Route 322 and Route 55, adjacent to the West Campus of Rowan University. This site will be the new home of Inspira Medical Center Mullica Hill, a modern 204-bed, 445,000-plus square foot facility.
I'm very excited that the Commissioner is giving us the approval that we need, which we received on March 7th. We hope to have groundbreaking sometime in the middle of May. But once we get started, our construction will go approximately 24 months. So everybody is getting very excited as we move forward to that next stage to opening of our new facility. Our design process encompassed a large number, approximately 200 of our own employees, as well as our physicians. Every department had input into how their area should be designed, the best flow, the best technology to be used in that area. So I want to thank all of those folks who were involved in putting this together, because it was very intensive and they were very committed to getting this completed.
With the community's needs growing tremendously, we as a board embarked on a vision to build out a new state-of-the-art hospital and campus adjacent to the Rowan campus. We are investing $350 million in the project. We think it's going to be a huge difference maker and help with making the lives of our community better.
Back at Woodbury, we've entered into a relationship with the City of Woodbury, with the Gloucester County Improvement Authority, and we've contracted with a third-party developer called Urban Partners. We're doing a feasibility study. We've invested $100,000 into that study. Our plans for the building is to maintain a presence there, to serve that community there. We'll have a satellite ED, we'll have imaging, we'll have lab. We are going to continue with our behavioral health services there, and then we're going to put about 400 or 500 employees in that building to maintain the economic development of that community.
Technology continues to transform the healthcare experience. In May 2016, Inspira announced the Inspira One project, a network-wide health IT initiative. This new system will allow for one medical record for each patient across all Inspira locations.
So we're very excited about Inspira One because it will allow us to take care of our community, in the best and easiest way possible. You come into one of our physician offices, you don't have to fill out that clipboard that you always have to fill out when you go into one of those offices. That information will be there.
Inspira One delivers on the Inspira promise by delivering safe, quality care at every point of access for our patients. What it means is that no matter what Inspira location you go to, we have the most current information on you. We have the information available to you for access yourself. Having that complete picture of the patient's medical history as well as their current conditions allows us to best treat the patient and give a real wow experience.
Providing accessible healthcare is essential to delivering on the Inspira promise. In June, Inspira launched its new Inspira Access app at its Family Fit and Fun Fest on Rowan Boulevard in downtown Glassboro.
Our Inspira Access app brings all of the Inspira services to our community's fingertips.
This new app allows our patients to check into urgent care from the comfort of home. You can also find additional Inspira services and connect with our healthcare concierge.
In early spring of 2016, Inspira launched its healthcare concierge service through the Access Center. Patients can now call 1-800-INSPIRA and they can speak with an RN like me who can help them navigate their care and link them to any services within Inspira that they need. We will also call them after to check on their progress and make sure that their overall Inspira experience was a positive one.
Inspira's new e-care service launched in October 2016. With Inspira eCare, you'll get on the road to recovery without leaving the comfort of home.
Inspira eCare combines quality care with everyday technology. It's a very convenient online tool for diagnosing common medical conditions such as cold, flu, skin conditions such as rashes. It is available to our community 7 days a week, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
A patient can log in directly from their home on their smartphone, on their tablet, or their laptop. They'll answer a couple questions, they'll provide us what symptoms they're having, and then one of the Inspira doctors will be notified that there's an e-care visit, try to determine what type of diagnosis they have, send a prescription over, and then the patient can pick it up at the pharmacy.
In March 2016, Inspira rounded out its President's Council with the addition of Dr. Alko Kohli to its leadership team. Dr. Kohli serves as Executive Vice President and Chief Population Health and Clinical Officer for Inspira.
I'm excited about the fact that Inspira Health Network is on such an exhilarating path and is truly a dynamic and forward-thinking organization. We're dedicated to improving the patient care experience, both from a quality as well as providing a wow experience for all of our patients. I'm always exploring innovative clinical strategies in order for us to provide the right care at the right time and in the right place. It's really about making life easier for our patients in this fast-paced world, and also about doing the right things for the families in our community.
Inspira Health Partners is Inspira's own physician hospital organization. It's designed to support a clinically integrated network that allows our hospitals and physicians to work together to better serve the needs of our patients. In 2016, the physician network grew from 86 physicians to 219. In 2016, Inspira began its transformation to become a high-reliability organization. This multi-year journey will allow Inspira to enhance its culture of safety with the goal of eliminating patient harm.
High reliability is a clinical transformation that changes the way we provide care. Becoming a high reliable organization develops confidence in every staff member, from housekeeping to nursing to physicians and ultimately to our patients. We can develop a confidence within our community that when patients come to us for care, we will provide a safe environment. One of the tools in becoming a high reliable organization are what we call daily safety briefings. During those daily safety briefings, anyone can bring any concern for patient care. Those briefings are led by Dr. Kurt Callback at Woodbury and by Dr. Steve Lynn at Vineland, Elmer, and Bridgeton.
The goal of the daily safety briefing is once again to make sure that patient safety is our #1 priority, and importantly to get everybody in a room so we can address issues real time. We recognize all the great work people are doing, the great catches they're making, preventing patient harm. It's been amazing to watch when we get everybody in the room talking about the issues that are going on that day, how quickly we can resolve issues and get people back to work caring for patients.
Inspira is dedicated to working together to improve the lives of all we serve. In December, Inspira partnered with the Cumberland-Salem Gloucester Health and Wellness Alliance and the Southwest Council to launch an innovative medication disposal program designed to help fight the opioid epidemic in South Jersey.
So this is one way that Inspira is trying to lead the pack. It's very simple. It's a tear-off top, put 90 pills in it, you fill it halfway up with warm water, you ziplock it back, you shake it, toss it in the trash. What is inside is activated charcoal. That charcoal then deactivates the efficacy of the drugs.
Inspira's Family Success Centers provide much-needed services to families in need. In late November, Inspira opened its newest site in Commercial Township at Laurel Lake.
The idea behind this really was that the way to support families was not through a state office building in Trenton, but through reciprocal peer support or families helping families. The leadership to everyone at Inspira for your partnership in this effort and helping to make this happen. I truly thank you for everything you're doing for the families of this community.
Inspira's 6th urgent care facility opened in Washington Township in late July.
I think this facility is going to touch a lot of people and take care of many multifaceted needs, whether it's any illness, injury, preventative care. This Inspira team has you covered.
Additional locations are planned for 2017. These include Haddon Township in Camden County, a multi-service facility now open offering urgent care, family medicine, and imaging. Inspira Urgent Care East Vineland opened in March 2017, and the Laurel Springs site will open later in the year.
In 2016, Inspira decided to look for some outside partners to help us with our expansion of services. We decided from the home care perspective that we need to expand in Gloucester County, and with that, we found our partnership with Bayada. One of the things that we did with Bayada is develop our own palliative care program. Our other joint venture was with our nephrology and our dialysis services. DaVita is an international dialysis company that provides services throughout New Jersey and the Delaware Valley.
Inspira expanded its A Step Ahead program to the Elmer campus to provide a much-needed behavioral health program for children.
Inspira has been a leader in behavioral health services for decades. We have programs for adults, adolescents, and children, thanks to this very program, as young as 3 years old.
Inspira Woodbury opened its state-of-the-art hyperbaric oxygen therapy program for wound healing in June.
There's an incredible team that has been with us and persevering over the past 12 to 18 plus months to make this dream a reality, to provide this type of service to our Woodbury community.
Inspira Vineland completed construction on the Jane and Peter Galetto Jr. Simulation Center. This center is designed to give medical residents and other clinical staff an opportunity to perfect their skills by working with durable, high-fidelity patient simulation mannequins.
For the residents, we want them to be able to practice their skills, resource management in high-risk scenarios in a low-risk environment. We want them to be clinically competent and confident before they get into the patient room.
Growth within Inspira Medical Group highlighted 2016. The Westwood Women's Health Center joined the group to provide patients with comprehensive OB/GYN services. A new family medicine practice opened in Buena Vista in Atlantic County. And more recently, a family medicine practice opened in Clarksboro.
In 2016, we implemented the OB Hospitalist program. This hospital program provides a dedicated group of specialized physicians supporting OB/GYN services. They provide a high level of service no matter what time of day, whatever complications, and whatever the particular patient needs. So we're fortunate to have this new program here at Vineland to meet the needs of our community.
Through its affiliation with the Rowan University School of Osteopathic Medicine, Inspira's rapidly growing residency program grew to 158 residents across 12 programs.
Our residency program is very exciting. We continue to grow and provide the environment for our future doctors to have hands-on care with our patients. And many of our residents choose to stay within our community.
I went to residency in Vineland and I really fell in love with Inspira. The whole system is very supportive. I loved all of the resources that we have. This is my first job out of residency as a physician, and I'm lucky enough, like I said, to be doing it with Inspira. I couldn't have asked for a better opportunity, and I'm really looking forward to growing my practice and doing it alongside Dr. Miles.
Inspira's commitment to patient safety, clinical excellence, and providing a wow experience is evident by the number of regional and national awards earned in 2016. With these awards comes a promise to support safety initiatives across the network, advanced technology to allow for easier access, and to continue the expansion of services within our region.
The vision of the board and the leadership team at Inspira is perfectly aligned. We have a lot of people to take care of in our communities, and we're prepared to use all our resources to construct new facilities, to innovate, and do what's necessary to provide the highest level of care. It's a very exciting time to be part of the Inspira family.
Our goal is to make your life as easy as possible, but allow us to provide the safest care to you, the highest quality care to you, and to exceed your patient expectations of us when you come to Inspira. I think the results from 2016 are a testament to how our employees live the Inspira promise every day.
Inspira.